Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. It's a pretty windy day today, so nothing is better than to have some crunchy French fries. I used my air fryer and made some French fries. It was frozen fries that I bought from the stores. I only just had to put it in the fryer and fry it. Next, I prepared some minced beef. The ingredients are shown there. I have given the description of all the ingredients that I used in the description box. First, put some water in the pot and then mix the minced beef in. Let it cook. Put the lid on and let it cook for some time. After a few minutes, stir it in. Give it a good mix. Once the meat is fully cooked, drain the water. Add in the spices. Mix it well. Put the lid on, let it cook for some time. Give it a good mix. And then add in some soy sauce. I just bought it from the bottle. You can add about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Let it cook for about 3 more minutes. And then it's all done, ready to serve. My kids love broccoli and beans. So I decided to make broccoli and beans next. The ingredients I used are frozen broccoli and beans and garlic, salt and butter. Put the butter on the pan until it melts and then add in garlic salt. Add the frozen broccolis in. Mix it well. Add the green beans in. After 10 minutes, vegetables are well done. Give it a good mix. I added a little more garlic salt. It's always good to let the kids review their food. So here we go.
Got French fries here. Got some minced beef here. Got broccoli and what's it called? Beans.
Yeah, this is my little daughter now eating the food.
That is good. It's hot.
Hopefully you all like this video. Thank you for watching.